How many horse sacrifices is Shatkarni said to have performed? Ace 1. B 4. C 2. D 3. The correct answer is C 2. Which president's pressure was instrumental in the accomplishment of forming the League of Nations? A. President Truman. B. President Wilson. C. President Hoover. D. President Roosevelt. The correct answer is B. President Wilson. What led to conflicts between Veerapandya Kattabomman and the East India Company soon after his return to Panchalmakurichi? A. Several events. B. The Madras Council's decision. C. Lieutenant Clark's death. D. A new treaty with the Nawab. The correct answer is A. Several events. After 1858, what type of administration did India come under? A. British Crown's direct administration. B. French Crown. C. East India Company's direct rule. D. Danish Crown. The correct answer is A. British Crown's direct administration. What type of activity involves organizing an exhibition on peasant conditions? A. Field trip. B. Research paper writing. C. Project and activity. D. Debate competition. The correct answer is C. Project and activity. What was the duration of the First Anglo-Maratha War? A. 1803 to 1805. Born in 1817-1818. Circa 1757-1764. D. 1775 to 1782. The correct answer is D. 1775 to 1782. What suggests a potential economic shift in the post-Gupta period compared to the Gupta period? A. More silver and copper coins. B. Increased use of iron. C. Flourishing metallurgy. D. Decline in gold coin circulation. The correct answer is D. Decline in gold coin circulation. Who gained control of the territories of Salem, Coimbatore, Karur, and Dindigul after the fall of the Wodeyars? A. The Marudu brothers. B. The Nayak Kingdom of Madurai. C. The English. D. The Mysore Sultans. The correct answer is D. The Mysore Sultans. Which of the following are considered ancient towns? A. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. B. Bombay and Calcutta. C. None of the above. D. Delhi and Hyderabad. The correct answer is A. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. What was Poompuhar also known as? A. Kaveripoonpattanam. B. Kachi. C. Madurai. D. Tamilgam. The correct answer is A. Kaveripoonpattanam. What is one reason suggested for the shift to structural temples? A. They were less expensive. B. They were easier to build. C. They required less raw material. D. They offered wider scope for sculptors. The correct answer is D. They offered wider scope for sculptors. What was Sultan Firoz known for? A. His diplomatic skills. B. Being a linguist and a poet. C. Founding many new cities. D. His military conquests. The correct answer is B. Being a linguist and a poet. Who was the first Indian to pass the ICS examination? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bihari Lal Gupta. C. Dutt. D. Satyendranath Tagore. The correct answer is D. Satyendranath Tagore. What natural resources were used to produce additional colors in India? A. Minerals and stones. B. Clay and soil. C. Flowers and fruits. D. Animal pigments. The correct answer is C. Flowers and fruits. Who was Robespierre, the dictator of the convention? A. A religious figure. B. A political leader. C. A monarch. D. A military general. The correct answer is B. A political leader. What is a core philosophical principle shared by Jainism and Buddhism? A. Right wealth. B. Supernatural power. C. Ahimsa. D. Strict vegetarianism. The correct answer is C. Ahimsa. How is the age of speculation described in relation to human development? A. It marked the beginning of agriculture. B. It led to the development of tools. C. It caused humans to migrate. D. It made humans conscious and knowledgeable. The correct answer is D. It made humans conscious and knowledgeable. Which historical movement involved the Khilafat movement? A. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. B. Non-cooperation movement. C. Purna Swaraj. D. Simon Commission boycott. The correct answer is B. Non-cooperation movement. What is the publication year for Romila Thapar's / Early India, from the origins to AD 1300 /? A. 2004. Born in 2003. Circa 2002. D. 2014. The correct answer is circa 2002. Where did many conflicts between zamindars and peasants arise? A. Northwest Province. B. Deccan Plateau. C. Ganga Valley. D. Rural Bengal. The correct answer is D. Rural Bengal. What script is found on pottery vessels from the early historic period with names engraved on them? A. Sanskrit script. B. Grantha script. C. Tamil Brahmi script. D. Devanagari script. The correct answer is C. Tamil Brahmi script. What methods did early nationalists believe in? A. Revolutionary methods. B. Constitutional methods. C. Non-cooperation methods. D. Violent methods. The correct answer is B. Constitutional methods. Who replaced William Cavendish Bentinck? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. No replacement is mentioned. C. Robert Clive. D. Warren Hastings. The correct answer is B. No replacement is mentioned. Which Mughal emperor reigned when Bernier visited India? A. Humayun. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Akbar. The correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. Which religious group revered the cow? A. Hindus. B. Christians. C. Muslims. D. Sikhs. The correct answer is A. Hindus. What religion became predominant in the Philippines due to Spanish rule? A. Protestantism. B. Roman Catholicism. C. Islam. D. Buddhism. The correct answer is B. Roman Catholicism. Where did the Mysore forces suffer another defeat after Porto Novo? A. Solinga. B. Srirangapattam. C. Bangalore. D. Madras. The correct answer is A. Solinga. In which subject is this unit located? A. Civics. B. Geography. C. Economics. D. History. The correct answer is D. History. Which rebellion is also known as the Ulugulan Rebellion? A. Santhal Rebellion. B. Bhil Rebellion. C. Munda Rebellion. D. Kol Rebellion. The correct answer is C. Munda Rebellion. What was the role of the emperor under the shogunate rule? A. A powerful military leader. B. A religious leader only. C. A ceremonial head. D. The head of the government. The correct answer is C. A ceremonial head. How did you score?